Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Nissan Qashqai N-Connecta. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a two-owner vehicle having covered just over 10,000 miles and comes with full service history from Nissan. This particular colour is the metallic pearl black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you see you've got the nice clean interior. The seats here are really comfy and supportive, and there's an armrest and two cup holders there in the front for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then this car also has climate control, as well as cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being in N-Connecta, you also get the full length glass roof as well, so that lets in plenty of light. The Qashqai is a great car for the family. So opening the rear doors reveals lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. So if you're getting children in our car seats, for example, the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts too. And as we open the tailgate, you've got the good sized boot there, which goes back quite a way with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits underneath. And then below that, you've also got some extra storage below there as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and 360 degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128 point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.